Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here I am your teacher with the sixth lecture of the chapter Introduction to Visual Basic. In this lecture we'll learn about that how you can work with variables. So let's start. Variables are the areas of computer memory allocated to hold data. Means to say, or in simple words you can say that variables are used to store the values. Here you can see a list of valid variable names and invalid variable names. You can see here some examples are given to you. Invalid variable names, here your characters must not be less than 255 and it must not start with a digit, you can see here, and at the same time it must not contain spaces and periods like you can see here a sign of this full stop. Declaring variables. What does it mean? That you have to declare your variables before using them by assigning names and data types. And what is the format of declaring a variable? You can see here it is dim variable name as data type. And what are these data types? There are so many data types, but in Visual Basic here we are going to learn about these three data types, and these are the string, integer and single. String includes the alphabetical characters like numeric numbers and some special characters where you cannot perform your calculations. Integers hold whole numbers and singles include your whole numbers as well as fractional numbers. At the same time, whenever you want to declare multiple variables in one line, you can separate them with a comma. Like dim number 1, comma, num2, number 3 as integer. And a new concept that is assigning a value to a variable. That is whenever you declare a variable using this dim statement, you have to assign a value to that variable using an assignment statement. The arithmetical operators, these are just like maths. You can use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponent, division. Next, we will create an application with the numeric variables. Until then, it's enough for you. Go through your readings thoroughly. Thank you. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.